Hey Reelsters! Welcome back to my channel. Ready ka na bang i-kickstart ang iyong YouTube career? But first, you need to create an amazing YouTube intro. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi tutulungan kita dyan. This is Ask Karshi How Mobile Editing Made Easy. Kung mobile vlogger ka katulad ko, no problem. Sa video na ito, ma-achieve natin ang pangmalakasan mong intro in less than 3 minutes. First, gagamit tayo ng Canva. Kung hindi ka pa familiar, it's a software editing app that offers a wide selection of templates for your editing needs. Available siya sa web at mobile devices. Second, gawa kayo ng 10 to 15 second B-roll or video clip that highlights the content of your vlog. Applyan nyo na rin ng music. If gusto nyo ng mobile editing tip or tutorial for creating a video clip or B-roll for your intro, please comment down below and use the hashtag AskKarshiHow. Shout out sa mga lodi natin, Rappi TV Entertainment, Omex Channel, YouTube's Mom PH, Art and Music Session, Stavros and Myla Journey, Zach and Teen, Chi Espiritu, Marifer Remoir, at syempre VYP Kada Squad. Thank you so much guys for supporting as always. And by the way, before we start, if bago ka sa channel ko, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell para lagi kang updated with my new videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and create your YouTube intro. First, let's download Canva. And let's go to the app. You can see there are 60,000 templates to choose from, including the YouTube categories that we will be using. So let's go first and check the YouTube intro. They also have YouTube outro, thumbnail icons, and if ever you would like to use this to enhance your video. So these are the sample templates that they have available for your intro. For the outro, these are the example. Okay. Now let's go ahead and choose our template. I'll go for Wanderlust Diaries. There, just tap and hit edit. And then tap on the background. It will route you to your gallery. All you need to do is select your video. Make sure it's already a B-roll video. And then if you need to adjust the media screen, you just have to pinch and drag it outside. And then, now let's go ahead and change the details. Let's go ahead and change it to your channel name. Go ahead and also add the category of your vlog so that your viewers could basically have an idea what they could expect from your vlog. Once you're done, go ahead and tap the play icon right above, and then it will give you options to select the effect that you want for your intro. Once you have selected the effect that you want for your intro, go ahead and hit download. Yay! And we're done! So let's check the final result. By the way guys, this video clip is by Anthony Benedicto, so please do visit his channel for more travel vlogs. Thank you so much guys for watching!